What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a video of basically a new dragster. I want to show you this thing. This thing is absolutely insanely cool. So this is an older version of a dragster with a turbine, or basically jet engine, you want to call it. This thing is absolutely freaking insane. So I want to show you this thing. I do want to let you know this is on my new eBay store. Not new, it's actually old, but I'm telling you guys right now, my eBay store is live for you guys, and it is called N.Y.S products. So check it out. I'll be leaving a link down below to this particular dragster if you're interested, and make sure you use coupon code NYS modeling to check out, and you'll get 10% off your order with any kind of used dragsters that you want. So I want to show you this thing. This thing is absolutely insane. So of course, you're gonna have your wheels and tires all separate, and this is gonna be from the same designer that was the last one that I showed you, which is the hot rod version. But I saw this one, I thought this one's just way too cool, and this is one I might have to build this one here in the next few days, or next few months I should say. This thing is just absolutely insanely cool. So I'm going to take it apart and show you some things. But yeah, we get your front spoiler right here, so that's pretty cool. And then you're gonna have your turbine jet engine, and this thing just slides right in. And look at this thing. The detail in this thing is really nice. This is a two-piece design engine, so it splits right here down the middle. So I just kind of glued up really temporary just for the pictures and stuff and for this video. But really nice detail. The engine is just this fantastic detail. I mean, you got your hoses and plumbing and stuff. You can really go crazy with the wiring on this if you want to, or whatever you want to do. But this is just, the engine alone actually has really weight, because that is just one big solid piece of resin, which is really cool. And then you, of course, you're gonna have your wheels and tires back here separate. And then these are your typical dragster wheels and tires. Of course, you can go ahead and get some Goodyear decals for this thing. Then there is your wheel package for the rear. Really nice, just slides right in. So really nice. So those are really cool. Again, these are solid resin tires. I mean, there's some good weight to these things. So just let you guys know. So this is gonna be decently weighted model. And then get to the chassis. And then, so these are separate as well. So these are separate. Well, there we go. Just popped out. And then, go ahead and pop out that one. But yeah, so those are separate. Those kind of keep the aerodynamic away from the wheels and stuff. Keep it imprinted to the ground. Then, of course, you're gonna have your steering wheel separate, which is really insanely cool. And then you're gonna have your shifter right there to go reverse and forward and stuff. And then you're gonna have your seat separate, which is really cool. Of course, you can go ahead and add any kind of seatbelt harness to this thing. Of course, Go for Racing has their photo edge set, so really nice. But you do have a nice seat in here, older seat, because it's an older dragster, but really cool. And then here is your frame. This is all one piece, except it does split down into the middle right here, so you guys can see. There we go. I'm gonna take it apart. I just put really tacky little spots of glue on there, just to have some pictures and stuff. But of course, you're gonna have a pen. You want to use a pen, or you can, like I just use here, a toothpick to kind of hold your back wheels in and your front wheels. And so here is basically your back half of your frame. This is all one piece. Your axis mode then, and just really insanely cool. This is just wicked neat. Again, this is just too scary to drive. I mean, your pedals are really under the axle. Here is your pedals, and your feet is going under the axle. I mean, I just can't imagine driving this thing. This thing is just kind of scary to me. And here's your front portion of the car, or dragster, which is really nice. And then he does offer where you can have these pins, and if you want to have a little extra support, you can go ahead and put some piece of styrene tubing in there to kind of support it a little bit more, to support the weight and stuff. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much about it. I just want to show you this thing. This thing is wicked insanely cool. and then we're gonna go ahead and kind of take this apart too. So yeah, so same deal with your engine halves. You have those holes you can drill out and put like a toothpick in there or something, just kind of support it and stuff. But there's your engine. Your engine is in 3 pieces. There's your 2 halves, and then you do have your top part right here, which just kind of sits on there. So really cool. But this is really cool. So again, guys, this is live on my eBay store. Link to the description box down below to this particular one, and make sure you use coupon code that's on your screen and also linked in the description box below. You get 10% off your order. So check this out, guys. This is really cool. And again, nobody is selling these things. I haven't seen anybody sell these things. So I figured sell these things because these are pretty cool. And yeah, they're just wicked cool. And the massive dragster that I showed you guys last week, I sold about five or six of those things already, which is insanely cool. Those are really popping. So, and a couple of you guys bought from me, so really awesome. So if you do purchase something from me, make sure you do leave a comment on, like leave a buyer or leave a seller a note or something. Let me know your name and say you saw my video or something. I'll probably put something special in your package and stuff, and I'll sign something. So let me know if you did buy something from me and you saw this video and stuff. So make sure you do that. You do that. That way I can put something in your package for you. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I just want to show you this thing. This thing is just insanely wild, and it's just too cool. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time.